Chapter 3. He who can do this has the whole world with him. Have you ever tried to convince someone to do something? Maybe a coworker, a friend, or even your child, and no matter how logical or persuasive you sounded, they just wouldn't listen? You've explained it clearly. You've told them why it's important, but somehow they just don't care. That's because most of us make the same mistake. We talk about what we want, not what they want. Dale Carnegie puts it beautifully in Chapter 3 of How to Win Friends and Influence People. He says, "He who can do this has the whole world with him. He who cannot walks a lonely way." This chapter teaches one of the most powerful secrets of influence. If you want others to cooperate, agree, or follow your lead, stop pushing your own desires. Start thinking from their point of view. Because influence isn't about convincing someone to help you. It's about showing them how helping you actually helps them. Carnegie's main message here is simple, but most people completely miss it. The only way to truly influence another person is to talk about what they want and show them how to get it. Think about it. When you want someone to do something, your instinct is to explain your reasons. I need you to do this because it helps me. I want you to agree because it's the right thing. But that doesn't move people. Why? Because every person, deep down, is thinking, okay, but what's in it for me? Carnegie illustrates this point with a simple but unforgettable story. A boy loved strawberries and cream, but when he went fishing, he didn't use strawberries to catch fish. He used worms because fish like worms, not strawberries. The boy succeeded because he stopped thinking like a boy and started thinking like a fish. That's the secret of influence in one line. This idea applies everywhere, in business, relationships, and even at home. A good salesperson doesn't say, "Buy this product so I can hit my target." They say, "This will make your life easier. Here's how it solves your problem." A great leader doesn't command their team to work harder. They inspire by connecting the work to their team's ambitions, to their sense of pride, purpose, and growth. Because human beings are emotional creatures. We are motivated not by logic or pressure, but by desire, the desire for success, safety, recognition, or belonging. When you appeal to someone's desires, you're not manipulating them, you're understanding them. You're saying, "I see you. I get what you care about. Let's move toward that together." That's real connection and real influence. So here's a small challenge for you. The next time you're trying to convince someone, whether it's your boss, a partner, or even a friend, pause for just a moment. Before you speak, ask yourself one question: what does this person really want? When you start from that place, the entire conversation changes. People stop resisting you. They start listening. Because now you're not fighting their desires, you're aligning with them. That's the essence of Dale Carnegie's third principle. He who can do this has the whole world with him. He who cannot walks a lonely way. And that's Chapter 3 of How to Win Friends and Influence People. In the next episode, we'll explore Chapter 4, a simple way to make a good first impression. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit subscribe, leave a like, and share it with someone who could use this reminder. Because the secret to winning friends isn't about changing people, it's about understanding them.